Good afternoon, May the 19th, 2016. Time to wrap it up for our trading today. We came in on the E-mini. We started off wanting to sell the 245 area. We said it might take 40s to get off a short. And there was your high right there. Our first buy was 30 to 32. You didn't even have a chance to trade that. We blew right through it. Our second buy was 23 to 25. And we like to execute at our number 2 levels. If a number 1 level holds, we should trade down to the number 2. It's going to go past a support or resistance level to get the stops that they know are there. This is a 5-minute screen. You had a materially better trade location on the 3-minute charts today. First trade, Nancy's Tweezers. Thank you, Nancy. Talk through these trades right here. Took those trades. This trade no worse than a buy, so all of these trades were profitable. This retest failure buy was profitable. This mean green trade profitable. Another Nancy's Tweezers, and these 2 Bs profitable. Retest failure at the value area high, profitable. This is outside in trading, coming from the value area high down to the mean green line. Another mean green trade that's profitable. So unusual. There are no losers today on a 5-minute chart. Again, I want to get you all thinking in terms of where is support, where is resistance, where can I swing for the stadium seats, and where should I be planning on going for a single, perhaps a double. And I want you to be able to see where support and resistance truly do lie. I think the big feature today was right here on that bar. The 50-lot trader began buying, and they really pretty much stayed on the buy side all the way up until right here to the 36 area. They didn't stop the market from selling from 40 down to 23, but they certainly slowed the selling down. And the Fed will accept lower prices. They just don't want the bottom to fall out of the market, it to become a complete rout. Looking at the last 3 days, we may have a move out of the middle here as long as we stay below the 43, 45 area. This market can trade lower. We had identified 22 off the F2 screen as the support this morning, and we've been talking about that for several days. So F1 screen says find a place to sell it. I think that's probably the easiest time frame to trade that idea will be London's tonight. Support and resistance, limit buys are best against, and limit sells in this case are best against these high volume numbers. You can see how that high volume number stopped the market blue. So a new move up in I period, and I think the real key really is going to be staying below 50. But right now, got the high at 40. We have the Globex high at 45. So 45 is where resistance lies right now. Okay, looking at if the market was to close right here, right now, we'd be trying to sell the 36, 39 area for sell 1. 44, 49 for sell 2. On the buy side, 28 to 30. Then buy 2 would be down at our 23 to 25. The news tomorrow, existing home sales, 5.4 million. Baker Hughes, rig count at 1. For North America, it was 449 last week. So if the Fed comes out and keeps talking about raising interest rates, I think the E-mini should head lower. The bonds and the notes also. Okay, Weakness in the E-mini helps support the financials. Now, we do most of our work on the 10-year. I think you need to trade the 30-year with an eye on the 10. It's not a freeway in Los Angeles. Inside day, but you can see the market still pretty good selling into today. So we had 2 days of selling. We got a pause day today. And that means trading range. I think the structure supports a retest of today's lows. We talked about first level of resistance, second level of resistance, and then third level of resistance. And on the 30-year, we got up to the third year because of the knob spread was expanding. Right here, the high volume number from yesterday afternoon stopped the market. So 24.28 was pretty good resistance. The market with a close right here, you'd be selling 23s, 27s. 31 to 03 for sell 2. On the buy side, and last rotate down was 17.5, so 13 to 17 buy 1. Longer term trade is to the short side, and again we'll get our clue from the E-mini, and then 5 to 9 for buy 2. If we break to new lows, the selling should slow down in the 10-year because of the knob spread contracting. Okay, looking at the 30-year. Well, here we are at 7. So 8 to 12 is 1. You have a high of 17 or 18. 15 to 19, sell 1. Then 27 to 31, sell 2. On the buy side, I have this K period low at 1, currently at 7, so 4 to 1 will be the first area of support. 25, 29 buy 1, and then 13 to 17 buy 2. Looking at gold, again, yesterday's news, FOMC minutes, was significant. If you can earn money on your money, and you need to earn money on your money, not have a storehouse of wealth, then the Treasury's move to raise interest rates or to hint at moving interest rates would be negative news for gold. That could change things. So here we are. 45 to 50 is support. Right now, 60 to 65 is resistance. This screen, the F1 screen, says find a place to sell it. And got a lot of volume's pretty low in this distribution, so I would not be afraid to sell into 60. London's last rotate up was 57, so 57, 60, sell 1. 64, 66, sell 2. If the E-mini spills, I imagine this market will trade higher. On the buy side, 49 to 51. Pretty much where we were this morning. And then 45 to 47 for buy 2. Crude oil. I still think we're going above 50, and we had that 50-65 area up here. Pretty good selling. Held in there pretty well today. As long as we can stay above 47, this market can trade higher. We're at 48.66. Tomorrow is contract expiration. The June goes off, and that could be all we need to do. Squeeze the shorts to get over 50. Happens pretty quickly in this contract. So this contract right here, looking at today's action, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. On the F2 screen, we're going to be looking at a P, I'm pretty sure, on this other distribution. So can we get through 48.75.49? That's where resistance is. So 75 to the buck, sell 1. 25 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, 48 even, 48 1/4, buy 1. And then we'll keep it 47 1/4, 47.50, buy 2. And we caught the gold market really well. I mean the crude oil market really well this morning. Gold 2. Okay, the euro. How low is low? How low can it go? Okay, the euro, an inside day. We paused it. You can see right down here. No, that's not going to work. Probably a little better. Lower high, lower low. Pulled this volume basically at 112. The attractor's down here at 109 even. And it's not going to be too difficult to get there, although probably not tomorrow. So F1 screen says find a place to sell it. And put it all together. Pretty square, maybe in the congestion area, leaning P, but I think everything is pointed to lower prices. Threat of our Fed or our central bank raising interest rates, etc. So 15 to 25, sell 1. 35 to 45, sell 2. On the buy side, I'm going to leave it at 75, buy 1. Put a question mark at 112. And then 50 for buy 2. And that does it for May the 19th, 2015. Hope you all had a good day today. The information that you had in your hands bright and early was spot on for the most part. Not perfect, but pretty damn close. And get in there. If you're new and visiting us, learn the methodology and you can make this yours. I'm going to see y'all bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.